baccalaureate degree, graduate of security officer training course or equivalent siya. Gusto ka may mong security officer, so dapat nakagunit tawag degree. So, manon gid mong college. Which is kani atong course karon nga Bisay same. Kani sakto jud kani siya ani. Gusto ka may mong officer, security officer. So need yun mo. So need yun na to manon na to sa eskwela o gusto na to ni mga ngani na trabaho. Then security consultant. Need gyapon nimo dapat Filipino citizen, sikalian mental fit, master degree in criminology, public administration, MSSE, industrial security management, or law at least 10 years experience in security business operations and management. Dagan-dagan ka. So sa private detective kamay ra ko ani duha ka requirements na kabutang Filipino citizen, physically and mentally fit. So sa private detective daghan na pa ni siya mga kana requirements, wala lang na appeal. But o kabalo kay karon pag ko nakita wala na appeal. Power and duties of security guards. So kani ang mga powers sa mga security guards and duties of a security guard. Ingon nga power nga na super power sa nguko. Power ani kay kaning mga og isa ka security guard og isa nakaka-security guard ang imong kaya buhaton og kaning ka ba kaning authorized ka na kaya na pwede nung buhaton ba. Depends na kay power na buhaton na siya kay authorized mga security guard mo. Territorial power. Guard secure only the property compound of a client unless escorting or in hot pursuit or offenders. When a guard may arrest offense being committed attempted in his presence. Offense has just been committed and he has personal knowledge and probable cause to believe that person did it. Person is a prisoner who escaped from a penal established or place of confinement. Methods of arrest. Inform the person of the intention and cause of arrest unless caught in the act.